NBC News correspondent Erin McLaughlin joins us now from Tel Aviv with the latest. Erin, good morning. Let's start right there with those two hostages recovered by Israeli forces. How were they located? Where were they found? And how does this impact negotiations for the release of the remaining hostages?
Well, Joe, overnight, the Israeli military announced that it had recovered the body of 19-year-old Corporal Noah Marciano. They had confirmed her death earlier in the week, originally announced by Hamas. They're saying they recovered her body from a building near the Al-Shifa hospital complex. Her remains have been brought to Israel and returned to her family. Now, it's unclear if her body was found in the same building as 64-year-old Judith Weiss. Judith Weiss is an Israeli hostage. She was kidnapped on October 7th from kibbutz Be'eri when Hamas militants stormed her kibbutz, killing her husband and kidnapping her. She'd just been diagnosed with breast cancer and was due to receive radiation treatment. Then this week, the Israeli military confirming that her remains had been recovered in a building near the Al-Shifa hospital complex, along with weapons, RPGs, as well as guns. Now, news of their deaths are likely to place even more pressure on these ongoing hostage negotiations. They've been going on for weeks now, with the president of the United States saying he's mildly optimistic about the outcome of those negotiations. Joe.
Erin, meanwhile, the UN human rights chief called on Israel to grant his team access to Gaza to investigate these competing claims about the Al-Shifa hospital yesterday. Let's listen to a little bit of what he said about the deaths at Gaza's largest hospital.
Never in my career, working in many crisis situations around the world, have I met such an outpouring of fear, anger, and despair. The killing of so many civilians cannot be dismissed as collateral damage, not in a kibbutz, not in a refugee camp, and not in a hospital.
So this comes after Israel released a photo alleging they found an operational tunnel shaft at Al-Shifa. What more are we learning about the situation at the hospital this morning? Are Israeli forces close to ending what they're calling this targeted operation on Al-Shifa?
Well, it's unclear. It's difficult to paint a picture of exactly what's happening at the hospital complex, given this network-wide mobile phone outage striking the Gaza Strip after the main mobile phone provider, network provider there in Gaza, said that it has a fuel shortage. It ran out of fuel to power its backup generators. It's very difficult to reach anyone that we've been in contact with inside the Al-Shifa complex. What we know is that the Israeli military says they raided the complex for a second day yesterday, uncovering that tunnel shaft as well as a vehicle full of weapons. On Wednesday, I had spoken with the head of the hospital's burn unit. He painted just this desperate and dire humanitarian situation. He described his 600 patients were dying at a much higher rate. They lacked food, water, electricity, as well as oxygen. And it's unclear when the hospital is going to be evacuated. The WHO this morning releasing a statement saying the WHO and partners are exploring the possibility of evacuation of patients, health workers, and IDPs besieged at Al-Shifa hospital. Safe passage and fuel for the Palestinian Red Crescent ambulances are needed to ensure the evacuation can be carried out. And it seems as though the Israeli military is continuing to try and build its case that there is a Hamas terror cell located underneath the hospital. But it seems that they have found no smoking gun just yet, guys.
All right, Erin McLaughlin in Tel Aviv. Erin, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.